And she's like, what is this annoying? Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today is another studio vlog day. I have a ton of orders to do, and I have my subscription bundles that all need to go out today as well. So I'm probably going to be at home all day long just working on orders and my bundles, which is totally fine because it's kind of gloomy and rainy outside, so I wouldn't really be going anywhere anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I had to take a break and show you these little plastic wormies that come off of the plastic bags here. They are horrible. They stick to everything. They have like static cling to them. So imagine having to pull all of these off of every single one of these bags. That's probably one of my least favorite things. They're annoying. Oh my gosh, that reminds me of Everybody Loves Raymond. I know I'm dating myself, but have you ever seen that episode where Robbie's girlfriend's like annoying and she's like, what is this annoying?
Annoying? What does this mean, annoying?
Alright guys, I have all of my orders done and maybe about a quarter of the sticker bundles done. It is 4:30, so I have to rush over to the post office really quickly because they close at 5. I put everything in this Toyota bag because it is raining outside and I want to protect all of the orders and bundles. I do have a huge umbrella too, so we'll get going with this. Alright guys, I literally just made it. So I had forgotten that I needed to pay rent, which was like a couple blocks away from the post office on the other side. So I ran there first, ran to the post office. The bar was already down, but luckily the guy decided to take my packages, which was super sweet of him because there was a ton of them and I'm sure he did not want to be like ringing those guys in, but yay, I'm so happy. I mean, obviously I had a couple more days to put out the bundles and the orders, but you guys know I like to have mine out super early for you guys. So I feel like my life right now is cutting stickers and running to the post office every day. So I'm not complaining. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. That's why I do it. So I decided that I was gonna take a leisurely walk home. You guys can see my surroundings here. I'll turn it around so you guys can see the pond on my way home. Alright guys, I am back. I was only gone for about an hour, and can you guys see my hair is a complete frizz ball. It is so humid out here. Even when it is like chilly and rainy, I really don't know what to do with my hair. I tend to like braid it every day just to get it out of my face. So if you guys have any tips, let me know down below. I did grab a light little snack because I do want to continue working on all of my sticker bundles, getting them all cut and ready to ship for tomorrow. And then I want to work on the extra journaling card. So I had posted in my Facebook group that if you were a bundle subscriber and you left a review on my Cratejoy account, that I was going to leave you a little something extra special. So those are going to be these journaling cards. So I wanted to get a couple more done for the couple of people that did leave them. Thank you guys so much if you left me a review. If you do leave me a review and your bundle's already gone out, I will leave you something extra in your next bundle. So let's go ahead and work on this. So I am finally done for the day. That was a long day of cutting, but it is really therapeutic for me. I love getting in the zone of just cutting and printing out stickers all day. I also finished off with my journaling card. So I decided to make 5. I originally had only planned on making like 2 or 3, but again, I just got in the zone of designing and I love how each one of these came out. Now, I did have a question last month if I was going to start selling these journaling cards. I hadn't actually planned on it, but I might. If I can come up with larger sets to sell in the shop, then I might do so. Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in something like this. So I am going to end the day with drawing some of my doodles for the month. I am doing 2 October doodle challenges for Inktober, so I thought that you guys might want to see me doodle in action. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are continuing to enjoy these studio vlogs. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the doodles!